Imagine a magical machine. This machine can write stories, it can write poems, it can even write school reports. This incredible tool exists. It's called ChatGPT. It's like having a helpful writing buddy right at your fingertips. Ready to discover the secrets of this amazing tool? Let's dive in and explore the world of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a special kind of computer program designed to assist with various tasks. It's powered by something called artificial intelligence, or AI, which enables it to perform complex functions. This AI makes ChatGPT smart and capable of understanding and generating human-like text. It can understand what you want it to write, making it a versatile tool for communication. It is like having a conversation with a computer that can respond intelligently to your queries. This amazing tool can write many different things. It can write stories, poems, and even complex articles. It can even write emails, making your daily tasks easier and more efficient. ChatGPT can be used for all sorts of writing projects, from creative writing to professional communication. It's like having a versatile writing assistant at your disposal, ready to help whenever you need it. ChatGPT learns by reading a lot of text from various sources, absorbing information to improve its capabilities. It uses this information to understand how language works, enabling it to generate coherent and contextually appropriate responses. This helps it write in a way that makes sense, mimicking human writing styles and tones. It's like a student who studies hard to become a better writer, constantly improving its skills. The more it learns, the better it writes, adapting to new information and refining its abilities. This technology is constantly evolving, with advancements being made regularly. It's getting better at writing all the time, thanks to continuous updates and improvements. New updates and improvements are constantly being made, ensuring that ChatGPT remains at the cutting edge of AI technology. This means that ChatGPT is only going to become more useful and powerful in the future. Imagine the possibilities of having such an advanced tool at your fingertips. ChatGPT can save you time. Imagine having a tool that can handle your writing tasks efficiently. If you need to write something quickly, ChatGPT can help. Whether it's an email, a report, or a creative piece, it can assist you in getting the job done faster. It can generate text in just seconds. This means you can focus on other important tasks while ChatGPT handles the writing. This is much faster than writing everything yourself. The relief of having a reliable assistant is invaluable. ChatGPT can help you be more creative. It can provide a fresh perspective and inspire new ideas. If you're stuck on a writing project, don't worry. ChatGPT can give you new ideas. It can help you break through writer's block and get your creative juices flowing. It can help you think outside the box. Sometimes, all you need is a little nudge to see things differently. It's like having a brainstorming partner who is always ready with fresh ideas. You never have to worry about running out of inspiration. ChatGPT can help you write better. It's not just about speed, it's also about quality. It can check your grammar and spelling. This ensures that your writing is polished and professional. It can also suggest better ways to say things. This can make your writing more effective and engaging. It's like having a personal editor who is always available to help you polish your writing. You can refine your work until it's perfect. ChatGPT is fun to use. It's not just a tool, it's an enjoyable experience. You can experiment with different prompts. This allows you to explore various writing styles and tones. You can see what ChatGPT comes up with. The results can be surprising and delightful. It's a great way to explore your creativity and discover new ways of expressing yourself. You might find new passions and interests through this exploration. It's like playing a game where you get to explore the endless possibilities of language. The more you use it, the more you'll discover. ChatGPT needs instructions. These instructions are called prompts. Prompts tell ChatGPT what to write. It's like giving directions to a friend who is helping you with a project. Prompts can be simple. You can ask ChatGPT to write a story about a dog. You can also ask it to write a poem about nature. Simple prompts can be a great way to get started with ChatGPT. Prompts can be complex. You can give ChatGPT specific details. You can tell it what characters to include. You can even tell it what setting to use. The more information you provide, the more tailored the output will be. The better your prompts, the better the results. Clear and specific prompts help ChatGPT understand what you want. It's like giving clear instructions to a chef who's preparing a meal for you. Section 5, Unlocking Creativity, Crafting Effective Prompts. Think about what you want ChatGPT to write. Do you want a story? Do you want a poem? Having a clear goal in mind will help you craft a more effective prompt. Use keywords. Keywords are important words related to your topic. They help ChatGPT focus on the right information. It's like using the right search terms when looking for something online. Be specific. The more specific you are, the better ChatGPT can understand what you want. Instead of saying, write a story, try saying, write a story about a cat who goes on an adventure in the jungle. Experiment with different prompts. Try different keywords. Try different levels of detail. See what works best for you. Experimentation is key to unlocking the full potential of ChatGPT. Section 6. Actionable steps from zero to ChatGPT Hero. Find a website or app that uses ChatGPT. There are many different options available. Choose one that you find easy to use. It's like choosing the right tool for a particular job. Type your prompt into the text box. Make sure your prompt is clear and specific. This is how you tell ChatGPT what you want it to write. It's like giving instructions to a computer program. Click the Generate button. ChatGPT will then create text based on your prompt. Be patient, as it may take a few moments to generate the text. It's like waiting for a chef to prepare your meal. Read the text that ChatGPT creates. See if it meets your needs. If not, you can always try a different prompt. It's like trying different ingredients until you find the perfect recipe. Section 7. Beyond the basics. Exploring advanced techniques. You can use ChatGPT to create different kinds of text. Try writing poems, scripts, or even musical pieces. Explore the possibilities and see what you can create. You can control the length of the text. Tell ChatGPT how long or short you want the text to be. This gives you more control over the output. You can specify the style of writing. You can ask ChatGPT to write in a formal or informal style. You can even ask it to imitate a specific author. This allows you to create text that matches your specific needs. You can use ChatGPT to translate text. ChatGPT can translate text into different languages. This is a helpful tool for communicating with people from different parts of the world. Section 8. The future of writing. Embracing AI. AI writing tools like ChatGPT are changing how we write, revolutionizing the entire writing process. They are making writing easier and more accessible, breaking down barriers that once made writing a daunting task for many. They are also opening up new creative possibilities, allowing writers to explore uncharted territories in their work. AI can help us write faster and more efficiently, streamlining the process and reducing the time spent on drafting and editing. This frees up our time to focus on other important tasks such as research, planning, and refining our ideas. It's like having a helpful assistant who takes care of the tedious parts of writing, allowing us to concentrate on the more enjoyable aspects. AI can help us explore new ideas and create unique content, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. It can inspire us to think outside the box and push the boundaries of our creativity, leading to innovative and original work. It's like having a brainstorming partner who is always ready with fresh ideas, providing a constant source of inspiration. AI is becoming an essential tool for writers of all levels, from beginners to seasoned professionals. Whether you are a student, a professional, or a casual writer, AI can assist you in various ways. AI can help you improve your writing and achieve your goals, making the writing process more efficient and effective. It's like having a personal writing coach who is always available to help you succeed, guiding you through every step of your writing journey. Section 9. Take the leap, start writing with ChatGPT today. ChatGPT is easy to use. Even beginners can start creating amazing content right away. Don't be intimidated by the technology. It's designed to be user-friendly. ChatGPT is a powerful tool. It can help you with all sorts of writing projects. From school assignments to creative writing, ChatGPT can be an invaluable asset. ChatGPT is fun. Experiment with different prompts and see what you can create. The possibilities are endless. Let your imagination run wild. Start using ChatGPT today. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Unlock your writing potential and discover the magic of AI-powered writing. It's like embarking on an exciting adventure into the world of creativity.